Here are 2 sauces to make at home when you're craving takeout. People are always asking me for a good orange sauce. Who doesn't love that sweet, savory, sticky sauce? The ingredients that you'll need to make orange sauce are orange juice, pineapple juice, cornstarch slurry, sugar, vinegar, a couple of drops of red and yellow food coloring, minced garlic, scallions, chili paste, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Start by turning on your saucepan or your wok to low heat. Add in your juices, and your sugar. Vinegar goes in next. Soy sauce, garlic, and scallion. Add in your chili paste and give this a stir. Add in 2 drops of coloring. That's yellow and red. Once everything comes to a boil, add your cornstarch slurry. And that's how you make orange chicken sauce. To make everyone's favorite orange chicken, bring your sauce to a boil and add any batter fried chicken to your sauce. Give it a toss. And it's ready to serve. Orange chicken at home, better than takeout. Here's how you make brown stir-fry sauce. To make this sauce, you'll need chicken broth, Shaoxing cooking wine, sugar, garlic, ginger, scallions, chili paste, soy sauce, oyster sauce, slurry, and sesame oil. To make this sauce, bring your pan to a low heat. Add a little cooking oil, garlic and scallions, and your chicken broth. Add in your Shaoxing cooking wine and your sugar, and your garlic paste, and your chili paste. Add your soy sauce and your oyster sauce, and bring to a boil. Once your sauce starts to boil, add in your slurry. And that's how you make brown sauce. Now that we've made our brown stir-fry sauce, what do we use it for? It's great stir-frying with veggies, any protein you like, or you can make oyster sauce chicken by adding your favorite fried chicken. Bring your sauce to a boil. Coat your chicken well, and it's ready to plate. So whether you're craving savory or sweet, here are 2 sauce recipes that you can make that are better than your local takeout restaurants. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.